Some campers are made for the road. This one is made for the journey. The Mountain Sunset Camper 2025 is a modern three-wheeled mobile home designed to carry freedom wherever the horizon leads. From the outside, its glossy metallic body reflects the warm light of the setting sun, while black accents sharpen its sporty profile. The motorcycle-style front wheel gives it agility, and the tinted windows stretch across the body, framing the beauty of the surrounding landscape. Parked in a quiet mountain valley, it looks perfectly at home, sleek, modern, yet connected to nature. The design is aerodynamic and practical, built to move easily while still turning heads. LED headlights cut through twilight like bright eyes, while the sculpted lines of the camper give it both strength and elegance. Unlike oversized RVs, this model is compact, maneuverable, and ready for adventure on narrow winding roads. It's a camper that looks fast, even when standing still. Inside, the atmosphere shifts to warmth and comfort. A compact bed with soft bedding waits after a long day of exploration. Sleek wooden panels give the space a natural touch, while metallic details tie it back to the sporty exterior. LED ambient lighting glows along the ceiling, filling the cabin with a calm light that matches the mood of the evening outside. Hidden shelves and clever storage keep the interior tidy, ensuring that even in a small space, nothing feels cluttered. The driver's cabin is designed for control and ease. A digital dashboard delivers clear information, while the ergonomic steering wheel makes driving smooth and intuitive. The forward wheel layout gives agility, while the balanced design keeps the ride stable and secure. Whether navigating mountain passes or coasting along valley roads, the camper feels steady and responsive. What makes the Mountain Sunset Camper 2025 truly special is its harmony with its surroundings. It is modern yet timeless, bold yet peaceful. On the outside, it stands strong against the backdrop of the mountains. On the inside, it offers comfort and calm, a home away from home. For travelers who dream of chasing sunsets, exploring valleys, and waking up surrounded by nature, this camper is the perfect companion. The Mountain Sunset Camper 2025 is more than a vehicle. It's an invitation to escape the ordinary and embrace the beauty of the open road.